Oh,
Kalau ini digoyakin sedikit, Pak.
hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explore about weaver ants. We need to be very careful because weaver ants can bite and quickly defend their nest. Let's go, Mas Radek. Yeah, look at this. By using the people slowly and gently, we can collect their nest. Look at this. Oh, so very beautiful. Wait, Mas. Oh, look at this. Wow. It's a colony of weaver nest. Weaver ants. Look at this. Whoa. Beautiful. Oh my god. Look at the weaver ants. Oh. Weaver ants become very aggressive after their eggs are taken. They will attack anything they see as a threat to protect their colony. Look at this. Inside the weaver ant nest, there are usually many eggs and larvae. A weaver ant nest usually contains a large number of eggs, larvae, and pupae. Look at this. These are some of the eggs collected. Take a closer look at the eggs and the weaver ant nest. They are truly fascinating. Look at this. Oh. Action. These two nests seem to contain a large number of weaver ant eggs. And of course, if these weaver ants get onto our bodies, they will beat us. Look at this. Can you see that? White, white, white. Oh, look at this. About 4 meters from the ground, or maybe more. Come closer. Look at this. Some egg. Whoa. Here is go. Now let's take a look at how the weaver ants are spotted from their egg. Look at.